So now as my blue heart has dried up, I'm going to work on the center evil eye, and first I used poster white to make the whole thing plain white. Also, when I see the reference, it is shabbily done a little bit on the blue, so I just added that last line. And now I put cerulean blue into the white to make the center blue color. And it's not a very perfect oval because I think these are all handmade, and that is why they are not perfectly done. That blue is also blurred out a little bit in the white, and I've added that detail also to make it look a real handmade item. The white goes in a little bit in the blue, and I just added that on the lower left bottom. And now when the blue is dried up, I added a little bit of black to it, taking some blue, a darker one, and adding it because I think the blue had turned out a little lighter than expected. So I've removed some white in the palette to give the highlights which I see on the heart-shaped glass part. And just as I see it in the reference, I'm just going to do it exactly the same way. I see a slightly blurred outer border of the heart, and that's why I'm giving this watery white. First I'm doing the dull shades of white, and then I'm going to do really dark whites.